So here now, we out here in the bush again on another vlog. And we have a partner there, ready, Bush Monster. And if all you know who that is, all you know. And my sister there. But if all you know who that is, all you had to check out agouti hunting in Tabakit. You know, right? So, we out here in the bush, deep forest. Never been to this part of the forest before. I didn't know how to say where we is, but we're not a good spot. We're not gears. Already, well, you see it, we see it already. We spot a cat eye snake. Them falls my pee on them, but hopefully we go see more. Gonna set up camp there, cook, chill.
Set up what? We done set up already, yeah, no camp to set up again, what's going on there?
True. Camp set up already. So you go and relax. And as the sun go down a bit, the exploration gonna start. Boiling some corn, you know, healthy juice. Getting real late. Yeah. So, the sun is almost down, it's pitch black, and we are making a move. This is just about a 24 hours. Been a while since we seen one in a vlog. Well, no, yeah, we did see one in our vlog recently. They get a lot of film time. 24 hours, real abundant. Multicolored tree lizard, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I just bought this Balsine, a juvenile. Well, coming out of the juvenile stage. It's small, but real feisty, antsy. I'm getting kind of tired of spotting them. I see them in so much. Only striking. I've put this in so much videos end credits. I wouldn't put this one in the end credits. So see this thing so much time. A snake, and you pick it up. What snake is this?
Ratonel.
Ratonel, Valor. Ratonel, moon snake, pseudoboa. This is a pinkish brownish snake. It feeds on lizards, rodents. That's why it had the name Ratonel, which means rat eater. And it also feeds on Mapepires and coral snakes. The interesting thing about this is this snake is venomous, but mildly venomous. The venom, well, the only reaction I have to people is itching and slight swelling, but nobody ever died from it, and well, nobody can really die. The venom almost tailored for small mammals and reptiles.
Biting is our last resort.
Yeah, and as you can see, it don't really bite people. It's pinkish now, white bands. This coloration is almost identical to the Kribo or Musarana. Yeah, difference. See the
Single
scales.
subcaudal.
Now the Musarana would have
Split.
a split, a line going down. So I wonder if this picking it up good. He barely picking it up, but if you can make it out, your Musarana will have a line going down, but just have single scales going across. But as this get older, it would either turn a purplish color or pinkish color, and that band on the head would fade. It looks similar to, some people find it looks similar to a rainbow boa, but they're different. They plain color. They're quite large too, 2 to 3 feet. The second snake of the night.
Two if you call me cat eye.
Well, yeah, yeah, 2. We get some pictures and then let it go its merry way. And another Balsine. Oh gum, I real plenty up here, boy. Presently, although the snake grows, this is a viper. It grows around 6 to sometimes 12 feet. They are the smallest out of the 2 vipers found in Trinidad. They are also one of the coolest. Well, I like vipers in general. What most people don't know is that this snake has saved more lives than it killed, because the venom is used in products that cure cancer. They use the venom, it has certain properties in it that helps, well, stop the spread of cancer in someone's body. So, well, he gone. Yeah. Cool, isn't it? A jumpy crab. Or freshwater crab. Yeah, well, the trip going good so far. Well, we come across this. First time I've seen this white lantana. You'll have the pink and the orange one. Ooh, it had real mosquitoes here. Ooh. This one, white. It's all along the trail here. I've heard people mention the white and thing, but the first time I actually seen one. Amazing. Those of y'all who don't know what a lantana or wild sage, it's basically a herb that you can use as tea, and certain animals would like to feed upon it and thing. It also attracts butterflies, hummingbirds, and a lot of other critters. Normally you see the yellow and orange one prevalent, and then there's the pink and yellow and the white, and there are other colors. But first time I've seen this one. Right there. So much of them. Look, guava. Let me get. Guava is not really native to Trinidad and Tobago. It's actually native to Asia. Oh, this one have a hole. To Southeast Asia. Tropical Asia. The tropical region of Asia. Down here, have a fruit fly. Lots of varieties would get attacked from the fruit fly. I don't know which variety of guava this is, but guava is good for a lot of things. Boil the guava leaves and then put it on your head. Good for hair loss and things for like shampoo and whatever. But guava, good to make jam, jelly, and other sweet stuff out of it. I mean, I have worm and thing in it. You see this? This one have worm in it. How I can tell you, see all them spots and how it's feeling. Oh, look how worm. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh yeah, look at it. Protein. No, this fruit is so unique that you could get protein and other nutrients from this. What fruit could give you that, yes? Nice protein. It tastes good. Well, this is interesting. Leaf nesting frog on the ground. Oh, and this one have blue spots. Blue native to Trinidad. So one of the names is Trinidad leaf nesting frog. They're the largest green tree frog in Trinidad and Tobago. Now there's other green tree frogs, but they're much smaller than this. This one is interesting. A lot of Trinbagonians think there's red-eye tree frog, but they don't have red eyes. We come across this body of water that have some little frogs and caimans, and it had a baby caiman over there. Now this here is an owl butterfly. Owl butterfly. I can't remember the exact name. But they are active during the day, but this one's sleeping. Found it in this lagoon area. And the water have plenty. Cascadoo. Look, we find a spectacled caiman. What's the scientific name again?
Bitey boys.
Bitey boys. But this is a caiman. Spectacled caiman was featured in a lot of videos before. But I think, well, this is not the first baby on the blog. But is a clear picture of the babies. But this is the most common crocodilian they'd have in the country. Now, one thing they do say about these things is they're endangered. Actually, that is not true. They're not endangered. Well, they're not endangered anymore. Their population has grown to a significant, stable number. But that is not blood on your hand. That is, as I said before, playing the fool with tree sap.
The blood boy. The rest of us came out of the water, you know.
Intriguing.
That's very strange looking iguana.
Yeah, really swim in the lagoon, muddy water, just as very found them.
Look at here, under the teepee.
Right. We just spot this ratonel. Similar like the juvenile. This is what the baby, the adult looks like. Take it down. Now this is how the adult looks. You know the red snake that we saw before? This is the adult. The juveniles look almost identical to the musarana babies, but this is the ratonel, or as I accustomed calling it, Mapepires. They are mildly venomous and feed upon other snakes, lizards, frogs, small mammals, anything it can overpower. Now some people confuse them for rainbow boas, but they lack the features as the faint rings and they are more slender. You know, they look and behave different. So after we got some pictures and collect some data, we let it go back into the wild. Listen. Yeah, look. Our next one. No, a bigger one. Tree. Caiman. Hey, I just say caiman. People just laugh at me saying caiman. Caiman. Depends which country it language you're talking, whatever. A jumbie bird right there on the ground. We seen plenty of them, and right up there is the next one. But that's jumbie bird. They are the common bird that you see on countryside road just lying down and making that whistling noise. See how the eyes going and thing. They build a nest on the ground, and the babies look like rotten leaves. They look terrible. Well, no, they have nice patterns. If I could get closer. Right, a jumbie bird. I think this is the closest I'll ever get to an adult. But they are very beautiful birds. A real mosquito. Real thing here. Oh, when he fly off. Finally got close to one. But so far we've been seeing a lot on this trail. Like real plenty. And there's the next one up ahead. There's plenty. And next caiman. Another one. A nice size one. Well, nice and healthy for that size. Gone. I mean, you have real water here. Best place to put them. In the middle of that trail. A real water. Seeing how much water it have also. As far as the eye can see. So we reach this wetland here. Real water. When I say wetland, it's real water there. Right? And it have caimans. Right? Caimans, whatever. But a good balsine. Where he is there. A big one?
Yeah.
Where you going? He was moving?
Yeah, there.
You see him?
Nearly on the road.
Look. A Maracaibo. I know in the bounce up video I butchered the name. Maracaibo basin tree frog or grass tree frog. Look the next one up here. Yeah, first time I saw these was in a forest, not in the grass. Ironic. Interesting. These are interesting frogs. They move so fast. I mean, look how much. One there, one here, and one here. Heading back to camp then now. Just got back at camp. Ay. After 9 kilometers of walking, well, around 10 more like, we just got back at camp. Woo! Which way? We reach. I'll bubble up pot there. I eat, then go to sleep and start the next vlog in the morning. We just cooked there. We cooked some nice stew pork. Look at it. Look at all this sauce in there. This man here. You. Well, you know, we eat in there. We go put on the fire. Eating this. And after, we go and sleep. So, as you know, yeah, I am the wildlife master. And until next time, blessings and bless out. Laters.